Let's go, you guys. Pure bluebird day. Sun's just behind the cloud there. Shouldn't be long before it's out. I see there's ice on the puddles there, so it's getting chilly. Let's go do some exploring. There's some beautiful cliffs over here. I want to go check them out and see what they look like. Come on, son, let's go. See, the leaves are all coming off the trees already. Fall's gonna be long gone soon. This will all be buried in a lot of snow. Look at this pure bluebird. One big cloud behind my sun. It's coming quick though. Look at this for a rock. Actually, you could almost get a bike up here and take a pretty epic photo. See, they were hard at the logging again. Wow. We'll get some drone shots here in a bit. I see snow on the peaks everywhere. It's coming, it's coming. All right. Quite cold up here. Look at the ice on the puddles. It's an odd place for a chest. Oh yeah, you know we gotta go look, don't we? There's not a chance in. And do I really want to know what's in it? Ah, nah, let's not. Just joking. How could I not go and explore that? Do I really want to know what's in there? Absolutely nothing. Junk. I don't know why people leave some of the things they leave. Kind of weird if you ask me, but this is what it is, I guess. Oh, look at that. We still have the most unbelievable trail all through here. I'll put a card up here to some amazing single track. Half the trail's still here, but half of it got demolished. Actually used to come right across this ravine. It was like Romaniac style, like just beautiful. With that for your backdrop. I don't want to lose my B-roll camera. I got another GoPro the other day because I was too annoyed taking this one on and off just to get some little silly shot. Now I can just whip it out of my pocket. It's certainly windy. Drones don't care for wind, but like very windy. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. It's like a big cut block ending to it or something. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, nothing wrong with this. Don't want to be lifting, don't want to be lifting. I see a photo opportunity over here on the ridgeline. Sun's in the perfect spot, and that backdrop is just about perfect. Except we got this row of trees in the way. So far this is pretty rideable on a big heavy dual sport. Oh, don't want to lose the old camera. Oh wow, come on, I want to get in between some trees. Oh yes we will, yes we will. I know, you guys, the things I do, a bit silly sometimes. That backdrop, this is pretty close to what I'm looking for. Holy, it is windy, like blowing me over windy here. So I went to put my foot down, I was sitting there on the ridge, and of course there was no ground. I was like 2 feet away and I just fell over. That's always awesome, but there's no way in heck anyone's ever going to lift a bike uphill. You know what I mean? So your only hope is to, you know, pivot it around 180 so that always get gravity to help you, right? And we almost got it around here. It's not easy, let me tell you. And it's not ideal to be pivoting on my saddlebags, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Oh, and the kickstand's still down. Who does that? Oh, that's what I did. I went to put the kickstand down and the ground was not cooperating. Maybe we'll get it now. It's awesome. Holy wind. You know, the only goal I had today was get some epic drone shots. But I don't see that happening. Besides, I'm probably empty on gas. You can see it all running down. Okay. Good Lord. XR upside down for 10 minutes. Is it even gonna fire? Let's find out. Whew. It is. Got a little minor delay in the day. It's slick on there. Holy cow. Whew. Little obstacle here, you guys. There's a couple trees down. There used to be one, but the other one beside it apparently went down now too. They're not super huge, but they're probably a foot off the ground or something. You know, that would be a bit of a challenge on the adventure bikes, definitely, because they're spaced apart like that. But that's where, you know, if you watch my log videos, I'll film it here and show you what I'm talking about. But if you use that correct technique with the double blip, 1, 2, and then it'll blast up and over. If you do it properly, you'll actually clear them both and you'll land on the other side. And it prevents, you know, quite a scenario if you were to land in the middle. You know, it's going to be not very much fun getting your bike out from between those, but I'll show you what I mean here. Check it out. If we can get a good drive to get over those, let's find out, I guess. Actually, it's pretty decent right here. So, check it out. Not bad. I think I got her dialed. Definitely got to give her some drive to get over that. That was a good little hop. Very yellow in here. Oh, I hate those little ones like that. Little down pressure. Tiny bit of throttle. What are these yellow ones, you guys? Are they poplars or birch trees? I don't even know. Definitely the most yellow ones in the mountain. This is kind of very cool, actually. This is a road I used to sneak on way back. I think there's a man-made lake or pond, if it's the road I think it is. Wow. Yeah, it is too. Oh, look at that. Whoa. That's pretty crazy. I'm gonna quick snack. I'll show you guys this. I don't know how to get out here. This man-made. There's probably no water now, but oh, tiny bit. Weird, eh? It's like a moat. It's like in a circle. Holy wind. I don't know if I want to risk losing my drone again. Oh my gosh, this trail is crazy cool. I came quite a ways on it already. But this guy's a little challenging to get over, being that it's on that funny angle like that. Not so bad when they're straight, but I'll come back with a chainsaw and clean this up because someone's been maintaining it, so I don't even know where it goes, but it's pretty long. And this is beautiful country back in over here. Very cool. Yeah, this one's a little tricky to get over, that's for sure. On that bike anyways. Duro bike, I could hop right over, no problem. This little trail is epic. Someone's maintaining it, that's for sure. Too bad that log was the deal breaker though. I think we'll come back on the electric ones because they could literally lift them over, but wow. Talk about, I like when things like this perk your curiosity because it's like got no business being here, this trail. Maybe some hunters cut it in or something to another one of those hunter shelter things in the trees. Definitely one of the cooler trails I've found in a long time. This area is really cool too, actually. Alrighty. Not bad.